Hey everyone, welcome back today. I'm starting a brand new mandala design, and right at the center, I'm drawing two birds and a flower to symbolize harmony and growth. I'm sharing the process from the very first lines to the full outline, so stay tuned and watch how this piece slowly comes to life. And if you are new on channel, please do subscribe and press the bell notification, and also like this video. If you have any queries, let me know through the comments. So this is just part 1 of the series, so stay tuned. The next part will bring the details and colors to life.